Imagine waking up tomorrow, and your bank account shows $0. No savings, no backup plan, no safety net, just you and reality. Scary, right? But here's something even more shocking. Some of the most successful people in the world once stood exactly at that point. Broke, lost, starting from nothing. And yet, they rebuilt everything. So the real question isn't, what if you lose everything? The real question is, what would you do next? Let me tell you a short story. A man named Daniel once had a comfortable life. Good salary, nice apartment, car he was proud of. He believed he was financially secure. Until one day, everything changed. The company he worked for suddenly shut down. Within weeks, Daniel lost his job. Bills kept coming. Rent, food, electricity. His savings slowly disappeared. And one morning he checked his bank account. Balance, $0. For a moment he felt frozen. Fear took over his mind. How will I survive? What will people think? Is my life ruined? That night he barely slept. His mind kept repeating the same painful thought. I failed. But something interesting happened the next morning. Instead of giving up, Daniel asked himself a different question. Not why me, but what can I do today? That single question changed everything. You see, when you hit financial rock bottom, your brain wants to panic. Tells you the story is over. But the truth is, rock bottom is often the clearest place to start again. Because when you have nothing left to lose, you become dangerously focused. Daniel started small, very small. He wrote down every skill he had. Basic computer skills, good communication, problem solving. Nothing extraordinary. But he used what he had. He began freelancing online. At first, he earned $5. Yes, just $5. Most people would laugh at that. But Daniel didn't. Because that $5 meant something powerful. Proof. Proof that money could still come back into his life. So he kept going. $5 turned into $20. $20 turned into $50. Some days were terrible. No clients. No work. No progress. But he refused to stop. Every night he improved his skills. Watched tutorials. I learned new tools. Practiced relentlessly. Something interesting began to happen. His confidence slowly returned. And confidence attracts opportunity. Months later, Daniel landed a bigger project. Then another. Then another. Within a year, he was earning more than he ever did at his old job. But the most important change wasn't the money. It was his mindset. Because Daniel realized something powerful. Losing everything forced him to learn the one skill most people avoid. Building from zero. And that skill is priceless. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear. Starting over financially isn't about luck. It's about 3 simple decisions. First, accept reality quickly. Many people waste months in denial. They complain, blame others. I feel ashamed. But the faster you accept your situation, the faster you regain control. Second, start embarrassingly small. Your first step doesn't need to impress anyone. Your first goal is simple. Momentum. Even earning your first $1 after hitting 0 can change your psychology. Because progress builds hope. And hope fuels action. Third, invest in skills, not comfort. When people face financial hardship, many try to escape reality. They scroll social media, watch endless entertainment, avoid responsibility. But the people who rebuild their lives do the opposite. They invest their time in learning. Skills that create value. Skills the world will pay for. Because money always follows value. Always. Now here's something powerful to remember. Your financial situation today does not define your future. Many people who look successful now once started from absolute zero. But what separated them from everyone else was their decision to keep moving forward. Even when it was slow. Even when it was uncomfortable. Even when nobody believed in them. So if you're watching this right now, and you feel financially stuck, or even broke, remember this. Starting over is not the end of your story. Sometimes, it's the moment your real story finally begins. Because when you rebuild your life from nothing, you gain something money can't buy: resilience. And once you develop that, no setback can ever truly destroy you again. One day, Daniel was asked a simple question. If you could go back in time and prevent yourself from losing everything, would you do it? He paused for a moment. Then he smiled and said something surprising. No, because losing everything forced him to discover his true strength. It forced him to grow, to learn, to build a life that didn't depend on a single paycheck. And most importantly, it taught him a lesson he would never forget. The powerful moral of this story is simple. Money can disappear, jobs can vanish, opportunities can close. But if you develop the mindset to rebuild, you are never truly broke. Because the most valuable asset in the world is not money, it's the person you become while earning it. And that can never be taken away from you.